Hello, today we are going to make necklace. Okay, necklace which is will be painted with Buddha's face. Okay, Buddha face, you will see here I did barley painting on my necklace. Same necklace we can make, but inside we can make Buddha's face. Okay, that will look very beautiful. So let's start. For this you required material. I'll show you. Very less material required. See, here I am using canvas. Okay, if you are not getting this canvas, you can use canvas which we use in the shirt collar. Okay, so easily that you will get. Otherwise you can take poplin cloth also. So this canvas, cardboard, okay, old cardboard, Fevicol and color and some different bits, okay, which you can put up. Okay, so this mala will go up like this. So let's start. Before that you have to you will stick this canvas. We have to stick it first and then we will start our painting. Okay, for sticking you must put glue properly. We require glue over here. Stick your canvas first and then we can, okay, stick your canvas. See, drawing already it is done. Then from back we have to stick it. Press it properly. Better if you will apply with finger because this is canvas is little thick, texture is there in back. Okay, so if you will apply with hand it will stick properly. Okay, after sticking we are going to start our painting. Stick it from back like this. Okay, from here also. For sticking it will take time because it's little thick. Okay, so by that time we can start our painting. Okay, here I am using these colors, fabric colors, okay, blue, orange and yellow, white. Okay, now this is Buddha's face. We must press it for little time, then only it is going to stick. Okay, but now I cannot wait, so I will start immediately. First we will paint Buddha's face, and that will be in blue color scheme. Light and dark blue we will use. What I will do for that, first I am going to apply light blue, okay, light blue, plain color. See, drawing whatever you want you can do, but here specially we are doing Buddha's face, so it should be in blue color. Buddha is the symbol of peace, right? So we must use blue. And in the blue you are going to add some dark blue. Okay, this first coat is done. Now neck also I will do with the same color. You have to change brushes according to the size. Okay, I am taking now small number brush. Okay, so here below neck, exactly below neck, we will use dark blue to show shadow. Okay, and then this side we will continue our light. Okay, now this dark shade even we are going to put somewhere wherever we are getting depth. Okay, little dark we will make dark blue and we will give border, and that we will mix it in our okay near. See, mix it properly. When it is wet, that time only you have to mix. Now eyebrows, that also will do with blue, and those straight line here also I am doing with dark blue. Those straight line with thin line, thin brush. Okay, then mix it. Mix, already light is there, so mix with that. Eyes we will do later. Here in the ears I am doing with dark blue. See, all are blues, light, medium, dark, darkish shades. Okay, then with little light blue I will mix it. all over shading is required. Mix it with blue. Okay, even face shape should be proper. Okay, for hairs I am going to use brown. Lips we will do later. In the face here on the nose I am going to apply pure white. Okay, for highlight. Mix it in the blue. This you can continue in the forehead. Okay, then first all over we will complete our light coloring and then we will turn to dark color. So here I am using pink color for lips. With pointed brush you have to paint it. And lip should be go up, lip line, smile on the face we have to show with lip lines. Okay, I will show dark tone later. Now we will color background because that is also a light color which I am going to color with yellow and green mixing. Okay, so I will take yellow first. Okay, here I am going to apply yellow. Color it properly this side also. Okay, below side I am going to add little blue with this side. I am going to use little green. Okay, it will, I'll mix in the yellow. So little shading we will get in the yellow. Okay, this way we will get shading. Now we will turn to dark color. Here I am using dark color border in both the corner. Okay, again we have to apply it properly. I'll mix little white, mixing of light and dark blue. Now with the brown color we are going to color background. It's a hair, okay, with brown, because on that we are going to make, first we will complete that, because with golden I am going to make texture on the hair. So I'll finish that work first. But always you should go from light to dark only. Okay. In this even I will mix little blue for dark tone. You can add Persian blue or little black also will do. Okay, I am using blue for little dark color. See, don't spoil your drawing while coloring. Very small it is, painting size is very small, so you should take care while coloring. Use pointed brushes. Okay, after dry we are going to do some work. Now with very pointed brush, almost a 0 number brush, I am going to paint eyes. Okay, because that's very delicate part, thin lines we have to use, so I am using this pointed brush. Okay, with that I will do eyes. Will take little blue. Now I can hold it down And eyes details we will do. Okay, little dark for eyebrows. You can draw with pencil and then color. Wherever I require darkest tone, now with light color we'll mix it little. Eye shape, here is depth, so here will be darker. See, in small painting, if you'll do details, it will look excellent. Okay, this is face. Now I'm going to make one darkest shade, which is blue and crimson red mixing, and I'll put border with this darkest paint. Somewhere where I want darkest tone, there also I will apply. Okay, for lips, below lips, very thin color, very thin outline. Okay, just touch up wherever I want darkest. For neck, okay, this beautiful face. And now we are going to do kumkum. That's a very thin line. Okay, now here, after dry, we are going to do some golden work. Okay, so let's start. Golden work I will do here on the hairs. Okay, dots, very close dots I'm going to put. It will look very beautiful. If you have silver, that also will do, bronze also will do. Very close, uneven, in uneven line. Okay, dots we want even, but we have to put it up and down like this, not in a line. Okay, After this we are going to decorate this side. Here I'll put one curve line. Okay, both the side. Then I'm going to draw some flowers. Okay, this side also. If you want, you can put dot on this. After dry, this gold will look very nice. Okay. Then if you want, you can add like this sequence. Okay, you can put mala. To put mala, we have to put some thread here in the back. Okay, and with canvas stick it, and then your mala you will attach to it. Okay, same here below also, whatever you want, you can hang beads, you can hang shells or whatever is available with you, and this way you will get your, I will place on this and show you how it will look. See, like this your beautiful necklace will be ready. Okay, so this mala can be different. For this you can use blue beads, that also will look nice. Okay, instead of this you can put like this thread, that also will look nice. So do it your own necklace at home.